we are at Taneycomo once again the next week. We already caught one, and then I lost one, and we got tangled up pretty bad. And this guy over here has got one, it looks like. It's really windy today. Cody, you lost your bait.
Where'd it go?
Right there. Reel it in and watch behind you when you cast, Cody. Reel it in fast so you don't get caught in those other lines. Keep your rod tip up. Keep it over. Cody, you're caught on that line there. Okay, did you get it? Okay. Put some more bait on and watch when you're casting. You caught it right on the edge of that. When you cast it, you hit the roof. Again, you hit the roof last week. Silly.
Yeah, and it took the hook.
You lost the hook?
Took the hook with it.
Oh my. Well, there's a hook right there, laying on the ground.
Where?
Right here somewhere. Right there. And it's got a leader. You just need to get it. And here's lots of ducks. Quack quacks. Quackity quack quack. Don't throw your bait out because you need that.
Hook's still in the bait.
It is.
Yeah.
The wind just about makes it where you can't tell if you're getting a bite or if it's just the wind. The first fish that I caught was a nice big one. About one of the biggest ones I've ever caught here. Bigger than the ones last week. Yellow power bait's what we're catching them on today. Did you get that put on the swivel, Cody?
The swivel still has a line on it.
Well, unhook the swivel.
No, I'm just retying the hook.
Oh. Okay. Oh, he's got one down there, maybe.